bunsen. Here. Here, eat it. Bunsen. Bunsen.
At this point, it wouldn't even be an ultimatum. You can have her, you can have me. It's gonna be, if you're with her, you've lost me already. Yeah. I don't really want to, I want to resurrect a relationship that's been damaged so much. I don't think we can really get past that. I think dishonesty is the worst thing that can happen.
With Jacob's treachery confirmed, cheaters contact Sandra to disclose the inflammatory surveillance. Sandra makes a vain attempt at solidarity while analyzing the footage.
I'm happy that you allowed us to put a camera in your house because that is where we got the evidence.
Oh my god, yeah, the whole thing. Hey, what
On this day of investigation, he's walking into your house. He comes into Amanda's room. Yeah, this is what goes on at your house when you're gone. He gets under the blanket with her. They made out for about 5 minutes. That was it.
Yeah.
He got up, put his clothes on.
That's where Woodbury Commons is.
But it doesn't matter. It's wrong.
Exactly.
That isn't what a boyfriend does, especially with a roommate. Two people you trusted most of all. And that's what's sick. Yeah. Well, it gets worse. On this day of investigation, Jacob calls you, says, oh, I left some cigarettes at the house. He didn't leave cigarettes at the house. He left Amanda at the house. There they are making out. He's like, I mean, I know that's hard to see. Yeah.
No.
It's just ridiculously graphic. Do you want to talk to him?
I just want to know that. Yeah, not let anything get away from me.
And then it's wrong. Gomez, let me hear it, buddy. Alright, so they're not in the house. Where are they? Slow down. Alright, well, we're heading that way.